Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add a Spotify playlist to Notion. So let's get started. Open Spotify. Go to Spotify and find the playlist you want to add to your Notion workspace. Click on the ellipsis or three dots next to the playlist name. From the options, select Share. Choose Embed Playlist from the sharing options. Copy the embed code provided in the Embed Playlist menu. Switch to your Notion workspace where you want to add the Spotify playlist. Type -embed in the Notion page where you want the playlist. Then paste the copied embed code. Adjust the size of the embedded playlist with Notion as needed. You can also embed specific tracks by selecting them in Spotify, obtaining the embed code, and pasting it into Notion using the same -embed command. Your Spotify playlist is now integrated into your Notion workspace. You can control music playback directly with Notion. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!